mother's cry is universal, a language of pain, a dialect of sorrow, an accent of the misfortune, and a syllable of misery. In the last few threads of time, the world turned a blind eye while Somalia suffocated. Millions at a blink of starvation, the worst humanitarian crisis today, and the world responds with as much effort as a floating leaf. Such carelessness and negligence ought to be a crime against humanity. And they declare that we do not want a repeat of Black Hawk Down. Yet an innocent soul whose only fault was being born at a chaotic time and place dies. At one point in every corner of the nation, at every minute, a mother cries a fatal cry only to have another mother take over the shift. A symphony of grief, a horrifying blend of tones and melody over a corpse. You would confess a mother's cry is universal, a language of pain, a dialect of sorrow, an accent of the misfortune, and a syllable of misery. Our elders swear upon heaven and earth that such drought and famine is a calamity from God. 21 years of disobedience, murder, torture, and corruption. A nation who's blessed with the oneness of language, religion, flag, and culture. Repent, my people, repent. Even the soul soaked red with years of blood is yielding, pleading, enough, my people, enough. Therefore, such death by hunger, although an alarming poisonous sight to bear, it is a substitute for the sake of Mother Earth. From 2 decades of bloodshed to a dry, bloodless dry of delicate bones, a living corpse, alive and dead, dead and alive, the 2 stages mediated by a single breath. And I swear, a mother's cry is universal, a language of pain, a dialect of sorrow, an accent of the misfortune, and a syllable of misery. Where there's a problem, there must be a why. Why? Find the why, and then the solution will unfold itself. Drought, why? It is a result of the absence of rain, but famine is a result of lack of preparation and poor infrastructure. Such a nation with a delicate foundation cannot hold. And eventually things will fall apart, the center will never hold, and mere anarchy will be loosed upon the nation. The solution lies with the youth, with a non-violent revolutionary weapon, a march, a protest, a rally, a walk, united and firm, under one umbrella. When the rest of the world's footprints make history, Somalia, why are you in such a state of coma? Repent, my people, repent. Turn towards the Qibla as one and ask God, the King of Kings, for mercy. Then make a stand, inspire a movement, because such a thing as a mother's cry, although universal, it is a terrible thing to waste. It is a language of pain, a dialect of sorrow, an accent of the misfortune, and a syllable of misery.